Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek and I want to teach you one of the most important topic of the physiology, cardiac cycle. Yes, I want to teach you cardiac cycle and first before the explaining I want to give you some idea about the SA node. SA node is a generally located in a right atria upward portion, okay, and SA node also known as a pacemaker cell means heart of heart, and SA node can be generate a impulse, and impulse is a must for a contraction of the heart. So it will be gone to the AV node, and AV node after gone to the AV bundle of his, and AV bundle of his can be converted into the Purkinje fiber, and Purkinje fiber have a one good property that it can be speed up of the signals. Okay, so it will be gone and merge in a ventricle. So the after the merging, the ventricle contraction will be started. So the first phase of the cardiac cycle is a ventricle systole. So I will start it from the ventricle systole. What will be happen exactly in the ventricle systole? The first phase of a ventricle systole is a isometric contraction. The first blood will be come from the atria to the ventricle by the bicuspid and tricuspid wall. Okay, so now the ventricle is going, this one is a ventricle, and here here pressure is going to increase. So now pressure is going to increase. So blood can be go towards the low pressure, means a because this one follow the pressure gradient rule. According to the pressure gradient rule, it will be go high pressure to the low pressure. So here the bicuspid, now sorry wait, you can see here tricuspid, this one is a tricuspid wall, and here is a bicuspid wall. So bicuspid and tricuspid wall both are will be closed in a contraction of the ventricle, mean in a isometric contraction phase. So after the closing the bicuspid and tricuspid wall, the S1 sound we can hear. Name of this sound is a love sound. So here is a main point S1 sound. S1 sound is a main point of a isometric contraction. Okay, so now pressure is going to increase, then now what will be happen? Now the second phase is will become, the name of this phase is a period of ejection. Okay, so pressure is going to increase rapidly. So what will be happen exactly? Now blood want to go, blood want to move from the ventricle, because ventricle have a too much pressure, because pressure is going to increase rapidly. That's why the semilunar wall have to be open, because without semilunar wall blood cannot be moved from the ventricle, right? So that's why semilunar walls have to be open. So pulmonary semilunar walls and aortic semilunar wall, here you can see this one is a pulmonary semilunar wall and this one is a aortic semilunar wall. Both are will be open here, and blood will be gone from the ventricle to aortic and pulmonary circulatory pathway. So now the contraction of the ventricle process has been closed. So now the main thing is, in this case, the isometric contraction means the bicuspid and tricuspid wall have to be closed. That's why S1 sound will be S1 sound we can hear in this phase. And second one thing is semilunar walls, means pulmonary semilunar wall and aortic semilunar wall, both are will be open here. So this one is a main point of the contraction of the ventricle. So let's start. Now we will discuss the ventricle diastole. So now we can now red point. So this one is a diastole of the ventricle. This one is a second phase. So isometric relaxation is a first phase of the ventricle diastole. What will be happen exactly here? The ventricle is going to relaxation now. Relaxation means pressure is going to decrease here. This one color is good. Yeah, this one color is pressure is going to decrease. Okay, pressure is going to decrease here. So pressure is going to decrease here. Now the blood cannot be moved from this from the ventricle because pressure is decrease here. So that's why semilunar valve will be closed now. Here pulmonary semilunar valve is closed now, and after the closation of the semilunar valve, here S2 sound will be here. We can hear S2 sound. Okay, so now the rapid in a flow is a second phase of a diastole of ventricle. So what will be happen exactly here? The pressure is decrease, okay. Before like that, here pressure is increase, so like pressure is decrease here in a diastole phase. So now pressure is a pressure of ventricle is too much low as compared to atria. So that's why now bicuspid and tricuspid valve both are will be open here. I can write here bicuspid and tricuspid valves open here. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves open here. So because before the open means when here the bicuspid and tricuspid valve close, you can see here mitral valve, you can see here. Okay, oh my god. Yeah, you can see here bicuspid and tricuspid valves, bicuspid and tricuspid valve, bicuspid and tricuspid. Here you can see bicuspid and tricuspid valve close. So when it was closed, that time it was a working like a tank. A tank is a reservoir, because the base not open, it's closed, so it can be work as a reservoir. That's why the blood will become from the atria to the ventricle after the opening of the bicuspid and tricuspid valve by the pressure lead, because the atria side have a too much blood with too much pressure. Okay, so that's why it will be come downly. So now we will now we can say all chamber is in a relaxation phase. So and heart's chamber is a relaxation phase. Now we can say it's a joint diastole phase. I can joint diastole. So wait, I have to change this color. Joint diastole. Okay, this one joint diastole phase, and this one is have a 0.4 sorry, 0.4. Okay, 0.4 is a joint diastole. And now atrial systole, we can consider some point about atrial contraction. SA node will be produce a signals. SA node will be produce a signals by okay. So atrial will be started a contraction. Without SA node, heart can be pumped but not effectively. It can be work 70%, but 30% can't, because SA node 70% of the heart can be pumped by a gravitation. Okay, the blood can be come from the atria to the ventricle, and ventricle to the pulmonary artery and aorta by the gravitation, but 30% will be SA node, by the SA node. If SA node will be not work, that means we can't able to increase our heart rate, means a only our heart will be work effectively 70%, not we can't able to do 100%. Okay, so that's why SA node is the important part of the heart. So that also known as a heart of heart. It's a very interesting. So the pressure is now only zero. Pressure is a zero. So it's a work by to by like a atrial contraction. If we will talk the atrial contraction timing, so timing of the atrial contraction is a 0.1. Okay, and ventricle contraction is a 0.3. So total contraction is a 0.4. Okay, and joint diastole is a 0.4. so joint diastole also 0.4, and contraction of the heart is a 0.4 also, both are 0.4. Okay, now that was a good and important point. So now I just want to tell you that we have so many cardiac cycle in a per minute. So who one can tell you, who can explain me, and who can give me answer how much, how many? So just I will wait your reply. Okay, so be careful. Okay, bye.